Reallionaire, yeah, I'm the Reallionaire. I'm the Reallionaire, yeah, I'm the Reallionaire.
Women are designed by nature to be with an older man of God when they're in their younger years. They don't supposed to get with a guy their age in most cases because his mind is not in a mindset to really guide them. The average man is not in a mindset to really grab them, to really guide them and to appreciate their youth and to guide them, you know what I'm saying? So they have to get with a man, an imperfect man of God that's older, 10 or 20 or more. This is how they've been doing for centuries. They wouldn't get with guys their age because he's not going to appreciate them, and he's going to cause guys their age, going to cause them to get ran through because he going to be like, nah, I ain't trying to be that serious. I ain't trying to be that serious. I ain't trying to be that serious. And the next thing you know, she getting ran through because she keep trying to get guys her age. Yeah, they cute, but they're not serious. They don't know how to guide the family. They don't mean no harm. They not bad guys. They just not serious. But society has made it where they, you know, even though guys still get younger women, it should be promoted to get younger women. Other than that, you know, most of the women in the world get ran through and claim ain't no men ain't good, men ain't this and that. It's the younger men you're dealing with. You're supposed to get men that you're attracted to that's older. Women's supposed to get men that they are attracted to that's older. And that will usually work out. If he's a man of God, that usually will work out. If he got good sense and he a man of God, his appreciation for her will be much higher than a guy her age. Just to let you know. I'm Allan Reallionaire. Much love to you. Stay prayed up in Jesus' name. Everything you need is in the description box. Give a shout out to all the Reallionaire members that's been donating every week. I appreciate y'all for doing it on your own. Be safe out there. Drink a lot of water. Exercise. Get your sleep. Don't forget to follow me on the Instagram link in the description box. Let me know if you want a one-on-one consultation or interview. Let me know how much time you want. All the newcomers, press like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can be notified for the next video. Much love to y'all. I'm out. Allan Reallionaire.
Pookie Ray Ray. He Pookie, I'm Ray Ray. He Pookie, I'm Ray Ray.
A man can instantly prevent women from wasting his time and money is my latest article that is now available for purchase. Instagram me in the description box if you would like to purchase that article. It's $10. If you want to purchase all the articles, all 3 of the articles, they're $25 and 2 for $15. Instagram me, let me know you want the article. Show proof of purchase and send me your email. I can send you the article. God bless Reallionaire Nation 1.